This BMW 730 still has beautiful original paint, but unfortunately, road debris has left around 15 stone chips across the hood. The owner paid us $100 to restore them properly. We start by carefully sanding each damaged area using 2,500 grit sandpaper to level the edges and prepare the surface. Next, we mix the touch-up paint matched to the vehicle's exact color code with 30% hardener for better durability and curing. Once the paint is ready, we begin filling each stone chip. Using a plastic card, we spread and level the paint so it sits smoothly inside the damaged areas. This process needs to be repeated 2 or 3 times until every chip is completely filled and properly leveled. After allowing the paint to fully dry, we wet sand the surface with 2,000 grit sandpaper until all the excess paint is removed and only the paint inside the chips remains. Finally, we polish the entire area to restore a smooth, glossy finish and blend the repairs seamlessly into the original paintwork.